Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about can Microsoft on Drive or Google Drive replace VDR. So guys, let's start. Jana, Google Drive, what is it used for? Microsoft on Drive, what is used for? What is difference between VDR and popular cloud disk? Security and improve company image with VDR. There are a lot of free shading application, virtual disks and tools for collaboration and documents available on the software market. The advantage of the most popular those from Google and Microsoft is undoubtedly undoubtedly the free offer and a high conference dictated by the need to support a well the level as the level of individual support. How does virtual data room fare in this list? We choose the groups they serve alloys come first, and those in the case of online drives can be completely different. Context is crucial whether we share file privately or in a business environment, as well as the degree of confidentiality of the information contained in a given document, photo or audio file. Is one thing to share your vacation photos and family member, and another to share your financial statement or clients list with an investment advisor. The determination of this and other needs will influence software selection. So guys, that's it. Hope you all understand this topic. Thank you everyone, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.